Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add Google Calendar to desktop in Windows. I opened Google Calendar the other day because I wanted a faster way to access it without constantly opening a browser and typing the link. So I used Google Chrome and went straight to the top right corner where the three dot menu is located. Then I scrolled down to the Cast, Save, and Share section where Chrome keeps its extra tools, and from there, I selected the option to create a shortcut which lets you turn the website into something that behaves like a desktop app. And once I click it, I gave the shortcut a name and confirm by pressing create. And right after that, it automatically plays an icon into my desktop that opens Google Calendar in one click. And I even drag into my taskbar for quicker access, which honestly makes managing schedules feels much more seamless since everything is now just a single click away instead of digging through tabs or bookmarks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.